Okay guys, so we're pretty far up north. We're at the Croft Circuit. For those you don't know, that's a little bit above Leeds, and it's quite far away from us. So why are we here? Well, actually, we got an invite from a rival Rotary firm up in the north who wanted a little bit of a friendly competition on track. And you probably expected us to turn up in the Turbo RX-8, but actually today we're in our NA RX-8. But for those who think we've copped out, I've got a message for you now. So this is a message to Josh at Blackstar Motorsport. If you want a bit of turbo on turbo, come down to our home track at Snetterton at a date of your choosing, and we're happy to get it on. So with that being said, the car then. So the car is the same car that you've seen at any other track that we've done previously, and you see the videos in our history. So if you want to go and check out the spec of the car, go and check those videos out and you see what it is. And today I think it's going to be a really good day. Already it's pretty early, but we're seeing a lot of NA RX-8s turn up, and we're expecting quite a few more. So we're going to see how it holds up against the competition. Hopefully we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun with Blackstar. It's all just fun, and it's going to be a great day. All right, let's get it on.
Ready? Fight! 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 Fight!
No, yeah, like that.
You cannot put it up, out of the way.
It all depends if the sun gets my eyes.
Okay, session number 2, Croft. Blackstar in front, RRP coming on the outlap. Sound check, 1, 2, 3! Where's the air gone? I'll play with that after, mate. I won't touch that until we go past 10.
good, yeah. It's so good, it's have to beat the other one. What the beep beep beep? That was 2 seconds slower. That's because using the He's just got no grip on the rear, has he? Come on.
Where is he?
Yeah, we will.
Okay, so outlap. Afternoon session. Let's see how we get on. So we've got no back camera, it's that battery. Let's put this on. It's alright, let him get away.
I know, I am.
Because it'd be nice
I was
to capture.
just playing.
Is that Luke Mason?
I don't know who it is, but I'm not even trying yet though. He's probably trying. Let's have a little play with someone
Have a little
though.
play with him. What the hell is that exhaust on that? Oh dear, oh dear.
Look at him trying.
Big feet there. Come on.
I just play with him on purpose.
I know.
Should we do him now?
Okay, let's have him.
Oh,
Target Mission is a go. Acquiring target. Acquiring target. Acquiring target. Target acquired. You may now overtake.
See you later for now, boys. See you later for now.
Give it a wave. Slow down here.